Oh my, such a cutie. I should keep you for myself. It'd be the best for both of us. Now, no more running away from me, darling. You wouldn't want to miss our tea party, would you? Dear, come here, come here. There you go. Come on now, dear. I made you some desserts just for you. Dear, please, it's me. No. No, dear, please, look at me. Don't look away. Don't run away from me. Hands off, you. Voy de nuevo. Uit, tuba, genitals. Odd, to, die. Val, de noise. Enjoy. Full, adult. Enkel, ginting. Mooi.